Hi everyone, this is our latest launch Gojek Clone 2022. You can see it is more better, more fast and more easy to use. You can see the UI is much more improved while having very large banners and features like wallet, refer and earn, booking food, taxi, grocery, pharmacy, services, fashion, parcel, everything in one app, easy to use. If you are looking for an application like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen. In this application, you will get a customer app, a driver app, a seller app, a website and admin panel. For more, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen to buy this latest launch Gojek Clone 2022. And this is the website of our Gojek Clone 2022. You can book food, grocery, pharmacy, taxi, booking parcels and much more by using the Gojek Clone 2022. In the Gojek Clone 2022, you can also book hotels and more services. You can pay online and you can live track. And this is the admin of our Gojek Clone. You can see all your orders, you can see all your earnings, you can see your vendors' earnings, your drivers' earnings, and you can also see their payouts. You can see your services, you can turn off any service, and you can control a lot more features than the old version. So what are you waiting for? Start your app like Gojek 2022 today. For more, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, so we can provide you your own Gojek clone. Remember, your app will be with your brand name on your Play Store account with your company name on it. This app is just for demo to show you how our ready-made Gojek clone works and how it looks. If you are looking for Android combo, then we can provide you customer Android app, driver Android app, seller Android app and admin panel. If you are looking for Android and iOS combo, we can provide you customer Android app, customer iOS app, driver Android app, driver iOS app, seller Android app, seller iOS app, admin panel, website and complete 1-year free technical support. For more, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen and you can start your business like Gojek Clone 2022 now. Thank you.